That's a nice one. There you go.
Guess what? Looks like it's a great day to go fishing. Today's Christine's birthday. Happy birthday!
Hi.
It's around 10 o'clock. Beautiful out here. Check it out. Gonna set up with a couple baits. Maybe throw out a jig. See how it goes. Ready to catch a fish? Your hands are kind of cold.
It looks like it was a hit and run for Papa. See? Lake Mary.
Looks like it's a good one.
Target locked.
Christine! Got him on the mice tail. And we got him.
Mission complete.
Right on the lip, guys.
What we got? 3 poles out. All mice tails. It's a mice tail army.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we do. Oh, you don't? Yeah.
You might eat it, yeah?
Oh, go ahead. No, you guys cook it up, but I'll net it for you.
Oh, dude, don't lose it. I know, and it's old line. That's all I'm thinking about.
Just take your time. Take your time.
Whoa!
It's hard to see him. Ah, there you go. Woo, congratulations.
Thank you. 3 years.
That's a nice one. There you go.
Thank you.
Wow.
Green orange with flakes in it.
Oh, okay. There he goes. Nice.
Turn right. Well, thank you for the net.
Oh yeah, no problem. Congratulations.
We've been skunked for like almost 3 years.
I'm glad you guys finally broke that skunk.
Now it's time to clean the fish. Make sure you have a sharp knife because I had a really dull knife and I had a hard time filleting this fish. I usually keep the fish whole, but for space purposes I decided to fillet this one up. Oh, this is a horrible knife. Look at that color. Yummy.
Wow!
It's time to get some food at Tokyo Central.
Matcha latte. Cheers, guys. Tastes like it came right from Japan. I'm just playing. I've never been to Japan.
Back at home, time to eat.
All right.
What do we got here?
We got 2 bento boxes. The chicken karaage. It comes with spaghetti.
Oh, Amelia.
Thank you, Amelia. Spaghetti.
Don't eat my plate.
Salad. Your chicken and rice right here, and
Potato salad.
potato salad, which is very yummy. Amelia's ready to eat, as you can see. Try. You got it in?
I try the karaage. Let us know what you think from Tokyo Central. Good?
It's really good. I had this last time. I really like it. It's really good.
And
Look,
I'm
she's
like,
ready to
hey,
begin.
that's mine. Hey, you got some stuff on your chin there. Till next time, guys.
Bye. Say bye.